First, examine the physical money order for security features. Look for watermarks, security ink, and a unique 10-digit serial number that helps identify it. To verify digitally, visit the official USPS website at usps.com/moneyorders. Use the Track and Confirm tool by entering the 10-digit serial number and the payer's zip code. The system will show if the money order is valid, issued, or already cashed. Status checks are available 24/7 online. Possible statuses include issued for uncashed orders, cashed when redeemed, canceled, or held for investigations. For orders that can't be tracked online, call USPS customer service at 1-800-275-8777 and provide the serial number. Remember to always verify before accepting, and never accept handwritten money orders as they are prone to fraud. Since early 2025, USPS has added AI-driven fraud detection to flag suspicious orders. Need a refund for a USPS money order? Here's how. Refunds are possible if the money order is uncashed within 90 days for orders under $1,000 or 180 days for orders over $1,000. To request a refund in person, visit the issuing post office with your ID, the money order, and a refund form known as Form 6401. There's also an online option via USPS.com, but physical verification might be required. Since September 2025, USPS has streamlined the online refund request system for faster processing. Refunds take 4 to 6 weeks and incur a $15 fee. Keep in mind that in-person refunds are still necessary for high-value orders over $1,000 to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Note that USPS doesn't guarantee refunds for cashed or lost orders, so secure handling is key. USPS money order refunds can help recover your funds when needed. Follow these steps carefully for a smooth process.